You guys gotta check this out. How cool. Man, the stuff you find out here. Another one over there too. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a car also. The house has fallen on half that car. There we go. Another one. This whole fender is rusted off. Broke right in half. Man, these old trees just destroyed these cars. Still got the engine block in this one. All that water is on top of the pistons. Another car way over there too. Man. Here's the old tractor. A lot of old cars. The garage here is just collapsed on top of these cars.